In late 2020, over the objection of 4 previous FDA commissioners, the White House approved regulations for states to import medicine from Canada. Several states are working on it, but it is not going well. Vermont's efforts stalled over concerns about program costs. New Hampshire completely missed their February 1 deadline to submit their plan to HHS. New Mexico spent 6 months developing their program, but in the last 2 weeks before they submitted it, Canada killed it by banning mass exports of medicine for fear of shortages in Canada. A year after Maine submitted its application, we've heard nothing, except that the state's Medicaid program asked the state not to force them to import drugs from Canada. Turns out they already get many medications cheaper than Canadian provinces do. Florida got caught naming Canadian suppliers who had not agreed to participate, and then submitted an application in November of 2020 with no Canadian supplier in it. Colorado promised the legislature they would have access to drugs from Canada, but then the Canadian consulate informed them that Canada would not oblige. Now, they're trying to switch to other countries, but that's not even allowed by federal law. They also backed away from using it for Colorado's Medicaid plan, since it turns out Medicaid programs often get drugs cheaper than Canadian provinces do. Through all of this, Colorado's healthcare agency is burning hundreds of thousands of dollars out of the $2 million assigned to this project with no evidence of success. These proposals are sadly well-intentioned but a waste of time and money. The Canadian government can't supply the US and has blocked the export of any prescription medicine that would cause or worsen a drug shortage in Canada. And on top of that, PSM and 2 other groups have sued to overturn these federal regulations in federal court. There are ways to reduce pharmaceutical costs. Regulating pharmacy benefit managers and bolstering the use of generic drugs are examples that have proven success. We must stop talking about ideas that haven't worked for 20 years and won't, and start focusing on the ones that do. For more on this topic, see our website at www.safemedicines.org.